Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
Funniest thing I've ever seen, man. They're like chasing him. This is in New Braunfels right now. And they're like, they got, look at this. They're like literally escorting him out of town on the Trump flags. Oh my God, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen. They're like hundreds of them. They're escorting him out. Look at this, they're in front with a Trump train.
Just wait, this gets interesting as that white car tries to block off a truck.
That white car has been swerving at all these cars. See that? That white car is the one that keeps swerving into people. That white car is taking up 2 lanes and swerving. Look at that. I'm gonna switch over to the 4 slow lane. Or never mind, I'll stay here. Got that license plate. That car's been taking up 2 lanes and caused an accident already. That is not a police car. Running them out of Texas. It is hilarious. I'm about to run out of gas, which I'm sure some of you would love. Oh my God. This car is trying to get in. That's the car that's with the bus. California plates. Y'all saw that here, right? I videotaped it. This stupid car swerved into that truck. That car swerved into this truck. Look, they have him on camera for sure. Look at him. That's what happened.
Do people even look at their mirrors these days? I guess the snow was too slippery for him, so he thought he got a free pass to take off and run a red light. This must have been painful to experience. I'm going to work now. See you later.
Jesus Christ. Wow.
A few moments later.
What license plate is that? Was he not able to wait for the dashed lines ahead? Holy, that is insanely fast and extremely unsafe. Just imagine what having a cyber truck on the road would do with those tanks flying about. Even after hearing honks, this driver still tries to cut him off. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.